Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 6-volt batteries for RVs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're upgrading your RV setup or setting one up for the first time, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the PowerStar AGM 6-volt 200 AHH battery. This battery is designed with AGM technology, making it maintenance-free and spill-proof. It's a perfect replacement for the Trojan T105 with a 200 AHH capacity that holds up remarkably well under frequent charging and discharging cycles. The heavy-duty plates inside contribute to its reliability and extended lifespan, ensuring it performs steadily over time. In terms of design, it features a sturdy build with dimensions of 10.24 by 7.09 by 10.75 inches and a weight of 78 pounds. The M8 insert terminals are easy to work with and can be converted to S80 studs, making installation flexible. One of its standout features is that it can be mounted in any direction without risk of spills, which is a convenience for RV owners with unconventional setups. Performance-wise, this battery is reliable for moderate power needs, but it doesn't break new ground in terms of capacity or runtime. It's a great choice for users who prioritize ease of maintenance and safety over raw performance. Pros include its spill-proof design, versatile mounting options, and durability, while cons include its mediocre runtime compared to higher capacity competitors. Overall, it's a strong mid-range option for RV enthusiasts who want practicality and reliability. At number 3, we have the PowerStar Replacement T105 Deep Cycle Battery. This 6-volt battery comes as a 2-pack, making it a great value for RVers looking to power larger setups. With a 200 amp-hours capacity, it's designed for deep cycling, meaning it performs well in applications that require frequent charging and discharging. The AGM technology ensures no spills and no need for maintenance, which is a big win for busy RV owners. What sets this battery apart is its robust build quality. The heavy-duty plates inside deliver consistent power and a longer lifespan. Dimensions of 10.24 by 7.09 by 10.75 inches make it a standard fit for most RV compartments. Installation is straightforward thanks to its screw-in terminals, which can also be converted to SAE studs for additional flexibility. In terms of performance, this battery excels in delivering reliable and steady power. It's perfect for RVers who need a dependable solution for medium to heavy power demands. However, at 78 pounds per battery, it's on the heavier side, which could be a downside for those concerned about weight limitations. Pros include its deep cycle design, hassle-free maintenance, and excellent power delivery, while cons include its weight and slightly lower capacity compared to higher-end models. It's a solid pick for those seeking reliability and value. In the runner-up spot, we have the US Battery US2200XC2 Deep Cycle Battery. This set of two 6-volt batteries delivers a whopping 232 amp-hours capacity, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty RV setups. Specifically designed for deep cycle applications, this battery shines in scenarios where long run times are essential. It's also a great replacement for the Trojan T105, offering comparable performance and reliability. At 62 pounds each, these batteries are slightly lighter than some competitors while still maintaining a robust build quality. The molded-in UTL terminals ensure a secure connection, and the flooded lead-acid design is built for long-term durability. Keep in mind that these are not maintenance-free, so they do require water refilling and upkeep. The performance of the US2200XC2 is stellar, with a runtime of 474 minutes at 25 amps. This makes it perfect for RVers who rely on solar setups or need consistent power for extended periods. The only downside is the maintenance required, which might not appeal to users who prefer a maintenance-free option. Pros include its high capacity, long runtime, and reliable build, while cons include the need for periodic maintenance. This is a fantastic option for heavy-duty users who want maximum performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the US Battery US1800XC2, a set of 4 6-volt batteries that offer 208 amp-hours capacity per unit. While slightly lower in capacity than the US2200XC2, this set earns the top spot for its versatility and excellent balance of performance and value. These flooded lead-acid batteries are perfect for a wide range of applications, including RVs, solar setups, and even industrial use. Each battery weighs 58 pounds, making them lighter than many competitors, which can be a benefit for RVers concerned about weight distribution. The molded-in UTL terminals are durable and vehicle-specific, ensuring a secure fit. Like other flooded batteries, these require regular maintenance, but their performance makes up for the extra effort. Performance-wise, the US1800XC2 is a workhorse, delivering a runtime of 392 minutes at 25 amps. It's ideal for RVers who need reliable power for moderate to heavy use. The slightly lower capacity compared to the US2200XC2 is offset by the fact that you're getting 4 batteries, allowing for flexible setups. Pros include its versatility, lighter weight, and reliable performance, while cons include the maintenance requirements. Overall, this set offers the best combination of performance, value, and flexibility, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.